How to replace a 2019 Honda Accord 4-button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Alright, let's go ahead and change our battery here out on our 4-button Honda remote. Please be careful with this remote. Them buttons do like to pop out if you do this procedure wrong. If that happens, at the end of this video, there'll be a clip for it. All you gotta do is just hit the little thumbnail to go to it. Now let's get started. You can, if your keys are on, leave them on, that's fine. Go ahead and hit your emergency release. Pull out your emergency key blade. Make sure you hold your remote. Take your emergency key blade, put it right in between here, and just twist it. You notice how it just pops. Now lay it button down, face down. Now that you got it over, keep your finger on the back. These little releases right here, pull back on them lightly. Not much pressure is needed. If you do, they like to break. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. It takes a CR2032 battery. So we've got our new battery. We'll put it in. Push it in. Push down and it pops in. Pop that side up. Go ahead and squeeze them together. Put your emergency key blade back in. And there you go. You've just changed your remote battery. Hey, thanks again for watching this. If you got any questions, comments, post them down below. Thanks again.